Hi, we're Paul and Carole Loves to Travel, and here is our short video on how you can save some money getting around Koh Samui in Thailand.
Right, the cheapest option, apart from walking, would be hiring a moped. We don't really recommend this ourselves, but because we've seen far too many accidents. But if you are going to hire a moped, make sure you've got the relevant insurance, you can ride a moped, and please don't drink and drive.
Another way of getting around Koh Samui is in a song tow, which is a pickup truck with some benches in the back, so safety and comfort aren't at the top of the list. However, it is a cheap way to get around. It is cheaper than taxis.
Right, your next option is a good old taxi. Now, the first thing to remember about the taxis on Koh Samui is they're supposed to have a meter, but they never seem to work. So make sure before you get in the car you negotiate a price that you're happy with, and then you won't get ripped off.
We've just updated our post on the cost of transport in Koh Samui, and there is a link below which gives you ideas of how much you should be paying when you're using the taxis around the island.
As I'm sure you'll find when you travel anywhere in the world, transport costs do seem to be rising all the time. But the one thing we found on our last visit was a new app called Navigo.
This is an app that you can download to your phone, similar to Uber, and very, very easy to use. We found that we were saving up to 40% compared to the conventional taxi prices that we've been paying over the years.
We highly recommend you download this app as soon as you land in Koh Samui because it will save you a lot of money.
So that's our transport tips for Koh Samui. We hope you found them useful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, and most importantly, make sure that you subscribe.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget there's lots of other useful videos with tips on travelling around Thailand on our YouTube channel.